All right, we're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to use the starter template and CRUD F25 again. So we're going to say use this template, create a new repository. We're going to name this one in class 4 demo and set it to private and create that repository. While that's building, we're going to come over here to our Heroku and we're going to add a new app. And we're going to call that one also in class 04 demo. That works. Click create. All right, now that that's created on this side, we're going to go ahead and grab the code and we're going to clone the repo and we're going to just put it right in the desktop, Python. All right, and open that up. All right, while that is working, we're going to go back to our let's go back to our Heroku, see how that's doing. And we're going to GitHub connect that to in class 4. And see if that pops. It does right there. We're going to connect it. And we are going to scroll down and say enable and deploy the branch. That should be pretty good for right there. Okay, so we're going to go now back to our cursor. And from our cursor, we're going to create our first virtual environment. So python-m venv. And then we're going to activate it. So venv scripts activate. And then we're going to do our pip install to get all the requirements going on. And at that point, our project is built and ready to go. We can go in and also grab our database and reset this example. So let's open that up. One way you could do it to open it up is just right click on it and go down to rename and just do something like that. And then we'll tell Claude to, that's all, this is working now. So we can come down here and be like, all right, let's get Claude going. And yes, now we can just update the env file with our database connection, and then we'll be good to go.